Let's head to Australia now. Following days of deliberations, the verdict of the shocking mushroom murder trial is out. 50-year-old Erin Patterson is found guilty of murdering 3 people by serving them a meal laced with toxic mushrooms. Keen home cook Patterson hosted an intimate meal in July 2023. It started as an ordinary lunch but ended with 3 guests poisoned. They died over the coming 3 days. She now faces life in prison and will be sentenced at a later date. For more than 2 months, Patterson's trial has been followed around the world. After the verdict, Victoria Police detective shared some details of the case in a statement and asked the media to respect the family's privacy.
I think it's very important that we remember that we've had 3 people. 3 people have died, and we've had a person that nearly died and was seriously injured as a result, and that has led to these charges. I ask that we acknowledge those people and not forget them.
Patterson, a mother of 2, hosted the intimate family lunch at a Leongatha home on 29th of July 2023. Describing the day as a special occasion, she served beef Wellington, green beans, mashed potatoes and gravy to her estranged husband's parents, uncle and aunt. Hiding a deadly secret, that food had death cap mushrooms, one of the most lethal fungi on earth. Hours later, the guests fell violently ill, and 3 of the 4 who attended the lunch died eventually. In November 2023, Patterson was charged with 3 counts of murder and 1 of attempted murder. Her trial began in April this year. The death cap mushroom, or Amanita phalloides, is believed to be responsible for 9 out of every 10 mushroom poisoning deaths. Just 1 mushroom can kill an adult. They are also said to taste pleasant and look similar to edible mushrooms used in cooking. From the look, feel and taste of a death cap mushroom, it is hard for someone who has eaten one to even know they have been poisoned. Rod from the Associated Press has more details.
Australian woman Erin Patterson was found guilty of triple murder on Monday, deliberately poisoning her estranged husband's relatives with a meal of death cap mushrooms. Patterson invited 4 guests to lunch in 2023 at a home in the rural town of Leongatha, where she served beef Wellington pastries laced with the poisonous fungi. Prosecutors didn't suggest a motive. A jury at the Supreme Court in Victoria's state convicted her of killing her parents-in-law, Don and Gail Patterson, and Gail's sister, Heather Wilkinson. She was also found guilty of attempting to murder Heather's husband, Ian Wilkinson, who became critically ill but survived. Patterson blinked repeatedly but showed no emotion when the verdicts were announced. The jury took a week to reach their decisions. The 50-year-old mother of 2 will be sentenced at a later date. She faces a potential sentence of life in prison.